In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to recover a suspended or banned Instagram account. Let's get started. So first, when you try to log in and see a message saying your account is suspended, tap on the Learn More or Appeal option that appears on the screen. Instagram usually gives you a chance to request a review of the decision. Next, carefully fill out the appeal form. You may be asked to confirm your identity by entering your full name, username, email address, and sometimes uploading a photo of yourself holding a code provided by Instagram. Make sure all the details you enter are correct and match your account information. After submitting the appeal, wait for Instagram to review your request. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days depending on the case. During this time, avoid trying to log in repeatedly or using third-party apps as this can slow down the review process. If your account was suspended due to a mistake or minor violation, there is a good chance it will be restored after review. However, if the violation is serious, Instagram may deny the appeal and in that case, recovery might not be possible. You can also try submitting a request to Instagram's Help Center on a browser if the in-app appeal option does not work. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.